right, so we got a little nuts just now and decided to make kind of a whole family day of it. Tara got done work a little early, and so she got done from her classes a little early, so we decided to all go together. So here we are. This is something we've not done before, but we have all of our bikes. We're gonna get on a train, and then we're gonna go to 8th Market in Philadelphia. Then we're gonna go to Jefferson Station and get on to the Scepter Rail over into Conshohocken. And so 2 trains into Conshohocken so we can get back to where we left off the other day. Then we'll take the trail and go into Philadelphia. So that'll be great. I'll try to get some cool shots of the trains. That'll be really fun. Here it comes. Thank you so much.
So we got our own car.
Alright, that was crazy.
That was wild.
Alright.
Give a little update.
Are you recording me?
Yeah.
Okay, so we kept thinking we had a lot of time. We did not have a lot of time. We really should have rushed like crazy. By the time we got on the platform, we were on the wrong platform. We did get directions, but those directions were wrong. We got the wrong directions. And so very nice, everybody's very nice here. And very accommodating. They were blown away that we had 6 bikes. I'm kind of blown away by that myself. Look, this is not the easiest thing to do. If it was just me and my daughter continuing the trip, it would have been totally easy. But we decided to take the whole family, and it is complicated, but it's an adventure. You want an adventure? This is what makes it an adventure. Almost missing a train, and somebody doing you a favor and holding the gate open because your tickets won't scan. So you just gotta be friendly, kind. To tell my kids, be sweet, be kind to everybody, and make sure you're respectful to everybody. Get out there and just try to make your train. Try to make an adventure of it. But if you're talking nasty to each other, that's not the point. We want to try to have a good time today. So everybody talk nice, everybody be sweet, everybody be kind, and is it a little bit stressful, yeah, but that's what makes it an adventure. I thought you wanted an adventure. This is an adventure, that's what it is. I gotta fix my wife's kickstand. We've been in and out of elevators, up and down stairs. So again, it's not the easiest thing to do, but it's definitely worth it. Once we get there, we'll just be on the open trail and biking, and we'll go back on Paco, back into Philadelphia. Thanks for hanging out with us. I hope you're having an adventure too. And love all you guys. Hope you're having a great day. Bye.
Ooh, that's pretty.
All right, so here we go. We have my wife's bike here, and we have my bike with the trailer bike on it, and my youngest is gonna ride that. And then we have, actually that's our all pairs bike, but we're using it today. And my son's bike. And then we have my oldest daughter's bike. Here we go. Okay, so here we are in Conshohocken, where we left off the other day. And we're starting right back where we ended. This is literally where we stopped. We backtracked 1 mile. We went forward 1 mile, backtracked, and so we're starting right where we ended, and we're gonna go into the city of Philadelphia. So join us on the ride.
Snack time. Touchdown looks toasted. So I think it looks so good. we about to cross?
DadSquatch YouTube channel. I can't say it. DadSquatch. Squatch? Sasquatch. DadSquatch YouTube channel.
Was,
Hope you
okay,
had a good
everybody,
time.
that was the Schuylkill River Bike Trail, and what a great time we had. We have the new Schuylkill River Trail bridge behind me here. We have over here, we have the Center City, Philadelphia, right over there. What a beautiful city. And then we have CHOP, Children's Hospital, over there, and the University of Penn. A lot of people enjoying the trail, having a really good time out here, getting out in the fresh air. I guess we do have fresh air in the Philadelphia area. It's actually a beautiful city. It's a beautiful time, great people. Everybody kind of moves over, figure it out. It's tight, there's a lot of people, but everybody figures it out, moves over when you have to. Okay, we're biking back to the train station now. I'm gonna catch about 2.6 miles away from the Paco station that we bought tickets to return from. In hindsight, probably should have just bought general tickets or whatever. I don't know how that works, but anyway, so we'll be heading back there about 2.6 miles, and but we've already done a good leg of it, so we'll see you. Okay, so let me tell you, I am pretty impressed with the city of Philadelphia with their bike lanes. You can straight up bike downtown, and it's sectioned off very safe. And so we're coming up on Independence Mall, and we'll be able to see all that stuff. But this is actually pretty impressive. And we're gonna bike all the way back to, I thought we were gonna have to walk our bikes back, which would have been torture. But we're gonna be able to bike all the way back to the train. So it's pretty awesome. Here we go.
I'm tired. Will you carry me? I'm tired. Will you carry me? Fly away, fly away, fly away. Will you carry me? Fly away, fly away, fly away.
I go right. We're going right.
I'm tired. Will you carry me? Fly away, fly away, fly away.
So they got caught at the red light over there, waiting for them to come and join us. It's actually quite safe. I was wondering about how we were going to do this, but it's quite safe. It's no big deal. Here they come. Hey, how you doing?
How you feeling?
Right? Isn't that wild on the garden section?
And the giant clothespin.
Yeah. Here we go. Ready?
Daddy, can I put my hand in it?
Reading Terminal Market. Oh, goody. Say it this way. Bubba, come on, dude. We're about to not even have to ride anymore. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes.
This is the end of our journey into Philly, and we're about to get on this janky elevator. That's the end of our journey to Philadelphia. We're about to get on this elevator and hit the Paco station towards Lindenwold, New Jersey. We're going to get off, of course, at the Woodcrest station, get back to our minivan and our car, load everything up, and then get a good bite to eat. I'm hungry. I look forward to relax a little bit.
That was really a lot of fun. And I'm gonna tell you, people get intimidated by the city. I would be careful, just like in any city. A lot of nice people, and it worked out really well. Beautiful sunset we're going into. Pan over to that tower, over to the skyline. Great note. What a great note. I tell you, it was crazy again, but I'm glad that I did do it.